Hi, Jeff Jones here with Violand Management Associates. We are honored and thrilled that R&R Magazine has again asked us to sponsor their Women in Restoration campaign, as we've done every year since the inception of this program. It is truly inspiring to open up that magazine and read about all of the different contributions and the effort and the success that women continually have, not only in their own restoration businesses, but also in the industry as a whole. And we look forward to doing that again this year. Please stay tuned to the end of this video for a special offering that we will be giving to this year's winners. Thank you.
Hello there. The 2019 Recognizing Women in Restoration campaign is underway, and we need your help. When R&R launched this award in 2016, we knew that there were some kick-butt women in restoration, but the list of nominees over the last 3 years has simply blown us away. In its first 3 years, we received more than 130 total nominations, at least 40 to 50 nominees per year. Now we are going through the nomination and entry process all over again. So here is what you need to know. First, you can find the entry form right on rnrmagonline.com/womeninrestoration. Nominations can come in two forms. First, women are welcome and encouraged to fill out the forms themselves. And second, you can nominate someone you know and respect for the award. The nomination form on the website works for personal entries or nominations alike. And other than our judges, no one knows which way the nominations came in. A few other things to note. To qualify for this award, nominees must have at least 10 years of experience in the restoration industry. However, this can be in any capacity. This award is not just reserved for owners. We've had nominees from every level: technicians, marketing and sales reps, project managers, operations managers, and of course, owners and presidents. We have a panel of unbiased industry judges who carefully review each nomination and score them. Those scores are then added together to determine the overall winner and runners-up. Violand Management Associates has supported this award from the very beginning, and as you saw before this video and will learn more after, we are thrilled to have them returning yet again this year as our core sponsor. The 2019 winner will again be featured in a spread in R&R Magazine's June issue, plus they will receive a special invite to the Violand Executive Summit in June in Canton, Ohio, where the award will be presented. I also want to personally invite all of the women nominated for this award, or who are just interested in meeting and networking with other fellow women in restoration, to the Women in Leadership half-day event leading into the Executive Summit on Wednesday, June 19th. Have I mentioned that the winners also get a little bling to go home with? Our first three winners of the Women in Restoration Award, Anissa Coy, Shelley Bagwell, and Lisa Cordasco, each have amethyst necklaces like this. The gemstone is now a trademark of this award in the industry, and we cannot wait to hand out a fourth necklace for this year's award. Okay, lots of info there. If you missed anything, don't worry. You can find everything you need to know on rnrmagonline.com/womeninrestoration. The deadline for entries and nominations is Friday, February 22nd.
We at Violand are excited to announce that this year we're going to give away free seats to our Women in Leadership event and the Violand Executive Summit to the winners of R&R Magazine's Women in Restoration campaign. Our women's program is June 19th. The summit is June 20th and 21st. Both events are done here in Canton, Ohio in conjunction with Kent State University. Please check them out, see if they're right for you. Violand.com, but more importantly, nominate a woman in your company who is successful and has done so much in helping your company grow. If you are one of those women, nominate yourself, because we want to read about your success stories, and we look forward to this. So thanks and good luck, everybody. Have a great day.